Good morning, this is Chris with Turner Properties standing in front of 1001 Brentwood Court, a lovely property here in Columbia, South Carolina. I'm gonna give you a quick walkthrough of the area here. So this is a cul-de-sac street. They're all pretty much the same build, 3-story with your garage on the bottom floor. Right here in Forest Acres, just minutes from downtown. Really a nice neighborhood. I'm excited to see the location of the property. It is in a very good area, super close to restaurants and stores, all that good stuff. So pretty tall building. We've got a full double car garage, and then there also is a small little driveway off to the right. So you've got a spot for guests. So let's go ahead and take a walk around. Okay, now we're on the side of the house. It does have a really cool little balcony, just really tall. Here's our trees around the back of the house. Now I will say it pretty much has no backyard. We come around here, there's a little spot where they've got a somebody put a bench here, and then boom, there's the house. So, and then right on the other side, right up other side of these bushes here is the road, or the access to the road, I should say, the main road there. Got our HVAC unit back here. And then here's our trees that need to be trimmed back pretty close to the house there. And then our other side, a little bit of a side yard here, but still not much of a yard. But imagine that's why they've got that nice little balcony, gives you a little bit of space to go outside. Again, some more trees on this side that are really close to the house. At least they're not touching the roof. And then back around to the front. Okay, we're here at the front door. It's a little rough. We might want to get this painted. Here is our tile floor. That's also kind of rough looking, a little bit dated. A lot of scratches. And inside our 2-car garage, got the water heater down here. There is some closets with some storage. I got to test out that opener to see if it does function. And then we have a little coat closet here, right off the entrance. So pretty much the first floor is just your walk-in and then the garage. And then you've got your stairs. I'll just go ahead and walk up. We've got the stairs with a little landing here to take us up to the living area. Now, one thing is I've never seen before is this. This is wallpaper. It has a 3D look. It almost looks like something that you'd see in a cathedral of a church or something, but that is actually wallpaper. That is unique. I've not seen anything like that before. But here's our living room. We do have real hardwoods up here. Not a big living room. It's a little bit tight, but not terrible. You know, if you get the right furniture, it can work fine. And it's a long room because you've got the dining room area here. So it's basically one room, living room and dining room together. Now, one thing to note, again, this is cosmetic, but it is something to be aware of. There's a good bit of scratching, stains in the here in the hardwood, scuffs and marks, just a lot of wear. Probably would be best to get that sanded and refinished. And we've got similar wear here because this is of course, a walkway. Kitchen is small, a little galley style kitchen. This wallpaper definitely needs to go bye-bye. Countertops are okay. They're in seemingly good condition. They're a little dated as far as the design, but not terrible. I'm more concerned with the appliances. I would prefer, let's get stainless steel in here. Let's take this vent hood out. If we can put a microwave in, that would be a nice addition or update. The refrigerator seems to be in okay shape. So maybe we could just do like a stainless steel and black stove and, you know, stainless steel dishwasher, and maybe keep the refrigerator, save, you know, about 1,500 bucks. So anyhow, this is the laundry area, and not surprisingly, let's see if I can get a light on. There's, you know, significant amount of damage on the hardwood, which you're gonna have because people are bringing that washer and dryer in and out, and they're sliding it, and it's damaging the floor. This is where I think this is okay, because I see a cover here to the outside. So you just need the pipe, corrugated pipe, to hook up to the dryer vent, and I think it'd be okay. Here's our half bath here on the second level. I'm not a big fan of the black tile. It is in better condition than the tile down by the door. Definitely want to get rid of this wallpaper. Let's take a look around. Definitely need to, you know, paint everything in here. Full paint. And here, just to give you an idea, there is a little nook here to go outside and get some fresh air without having to go downstairs. And it helps make a little bit up for not having any kind of backyard. So this is nice. Next, we'll run upstairs. Okay, I'm at the top of the stairs. We have a window here. Glad they have that added to bring in some natural light in the stairwell. At the top, you've got this little landing that they, I'm sure, intended to be a little spot to read or have a computer desk or something like that. This would be a good spot if somebody's doing work from home. And there's a you know, window here, so that'd be a pretty good spot for work from home. So this is a 2-bedroom. Definitely want to get rid of the curtains, change out this old white ceiling fan, do something a little more updated. Definitely, again, paint. Now this, I'm trying to figure out if this is wallpaper or if, I'm assuming this is, yeah, I think this is wallpaper because it almost looks like sponge paint, but I believe it's wallpaper. Flooring up here is all Berber carpet. Definitely want to get rid of all of this. Has a decent size master closet. I guess you call this one the master because they're both, they both have full baths. So let's take a look at the bathroom on this one first. Again, definitely wallpaper in here. Want to remove it. I think the vanity's good. I guess the mirror's okay. It's a little over the top for my taste, but I mean, it'd probably be all right. I mean, if we went in here and repainted everything, it wouldn't be too crazy. Definitely need to do something about painting that vent. The tile in here, honestly, I think it's okay. I mean, there is a crack here, but I don't think this rises to the level of needing to tear it out and replace it. I just don't. I think it's okay. Right across the hall is bedroom number 2. And again, definitely want to paint, ceiling fan. This, I believe, is just drywall in here, so that would be nice. We wouldn't have to do any wallpaper, at least not in this bedroom. This room is a little bit smaller, so I would say that the front one is, yeah, and definitely your closet is a good bit smaller in this bedroom than the front. And then it does have a full bath, which is great because this is imperative if you have roommates. Everyone has to have their own bathroom. And we, of course, want to get rid of this wallpaper. I think this tile is okay. I don't know that I would spend the money to tear all this out. Now, one thing, let's see if I can get a picture of this. Our door is hitting right here, like right here. It's stuck. It's hitting the floor. So I don't know if it wasn't hung correctly or what, but it needs to be trimmed a little bit at the bottom. We've got a single vanity here, mirrors, all that, and then a linen closet. So really, I'm pretty excited about the location of this property. I think it's in a great spot in Columbia, close to downtown and everything you need. So this is Chris with Turner Properties. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this home today. Have a great day.